The snow and the ice caused more than 100 crashes all across New Mexico.
A 6-car pileup overnight on I-40 killed a Good Samaritan who stopped to help a state police officer. Tonight, he's being remembered. News 13's Rachel Knapp spoke with the victim's friends. Rachel?
Dean and Jessica, friends and coworkers of Pat Cisneros, tell me he's the kind of guy who's always willing to help, and his selflessness cost him his life.
Winter weather is showing no mercy on Albuquerque's roads. And early this morning around 1, the roads turned deadly. A state police officer was investigating a crash on I-40 near Course when a semi rammed into the officer's patrol car. Soon after, Pat Cisneros, a Madrid tow truck driver, came across the crash and pulled over to help.
Several people that I talked to, including myself, got up this morning and had kind of a strange feeling, like something just doesn't feel right. And I turned on the local news, and then I saw that at 6th and I-40 that there was a major accident and there was a tow truck involved.
State police say Cisneros was standing outside when a semi hit him. He died at the scene. He
left this earth doing what he loved to do, and ultimately he was out helping someone else when this accident happened.
A few minutes later, a 4th semi sideswiped another semi as the driver tried to avoid the crash that killed Cisneros.
It's dangerous work, as we saw what happened.
The owner of Madrid Towing says Cisneros was always helpful. He leaves behind a wife and family he always talked about.
I know they have grandkids because Pat spoke of them. I think the ironic thing is I think today is his grandbaby's birthday, and Pat died on his grandbaby's birthday.
Calls of condolences have flooded telephones at Madrid Towing. Even the mayor and APD chief sent out a heartfelt message to the Cisneros family, saying tow truck drivers are among the hundreds of selfless first responders who put themselves in harm's way during storms.
That's one thing that I would like to come out of this situation, that tow truck drivers are recognized, that they are first responders.
And he has a final message for his friend.
Pat, we're going to miss you.
The city has a contract with Madrid Towing, so they work every day with officers to help drivers. Cisneros' Facebook page is filled with condolences, including one calling him a special man and a wonderful father. Jessica?
All right, thank you, Rachel. The state police officer whose car was hit by a semi had minor injuries. Investigators are still looking into how fast the semis were going when the crashes happened.